Destination London, UK. London is one of the most exciting cities in the world. Full of history, heritage and culture, it's one of the liveliest and most cosmopolitan cities on the planet. Walk around the centre and see famous landmarks like Big Ben and Westminster Abbey. Go to Buckingham Palace at 11:30 a.m. and see the famous changing of the guard ceremony. And don't miss London's art galleries and museums, as most are free to get into. There are over 40,000 shops in London. Oxford Street is Europe's busiest high street, with over 300 shops. A walk through Camden Lock Market in Camden Town on a Saturday is a must. With over 270 nationalities in London, you can try food from just about every country in the world. Make sure you try the UK's most famous dish, fish and chips. London has a quick underground system. The locals call it the Tube. The Tube is quicker, but you will see more of London from a bus. London also has black cabs. The taxi drivers, or cabbies as they are known, are famous for knowing every street in London. London has every type of accommodation you could imagine. What would you like to do and see when you visit London?